How to add your nickname on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your nickname on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook, and now click this three lines here, and then just go down until you find here settings and privacy, and now click this one, settings, and then click personal and account information, and click name, and just you will find this one here, add a nickname, and click here, and you can add your nickname, and that's it. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.